In this video, I'll show you how to fix a laptop screen that's stuck or frozen. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. A frozen screen can be really frustrating, but don't worry. There are a few simple fixes you can try. Let's go through them one by one. Fix 1. Reset your graphics driver. Hold down Shift plus Control plus Windows key plus B all at the same time. You'll hear a quick beep. Your screen will briefly go black, and then it should refresh. In many cases, this solves the problem immediately. If the screen is still frozen, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. From the menu that appears, select Task Manager. Here you can close any unresponsive apps by selecting them and clicking End Task. If nothing looks stuck, scroll down and find Windows Explorer, then select it and choose Restart. This will refresh your desktop and taskbar without restarting the whole system. If the screen is still frozen after that, hold down the power button on your laptop until it shuts off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix a frozen laptop screen. If this guide helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.